Hello friends, welcome to Sql Query writing. Today we can check how to use the temp tables in stored procedure. And what is the scope of the temp tables in stored procedure? Okay, so um, first we can use the local temp table hash table. Okay, so here we can create a simple stored procedure, create a procedure, test procedure, and we are just declaring one temp table hash test1 contains ID and name. We want to just insert some data to this temp table and just display that temp tables. Okay, so just we can create one store procedure. A procedure was created. We want to just execute this procedure. Okay, now we are getting the data Arun and Kumar. Okay, so this temp table is existing in the this store procedure. Okay, so this will be created in this store procedure and automatically dropped after this execution. Okay, so we can execute in a number of times. There's no problem. It will automatically create it and it will automatically dropped. Okay, we want to just get this data from outside this store procedure, then we will not get. You can just check this. Now the object name is invalid. Okay, so the stores and the hash table we are using in the hash table, then the scope of this table is only on this store procedure. Okay, and now we can just check how to use global temporary tables. Okay, here we are just using hash table. Okay, just inserting some data and displaying this. Okay, you can just create this table. So global temporary tables are available on all sessions. Okay, so we have just created that procedure, test procedure global. You can just execute this procedure. Now we are getting the data from this table, this SP. Okay, here we are using the hash table global temporary table. Okay, but this data will be available on outside of this procedure also. We can just execute this. Now we are getting the output. Okay, so this hash table will available in all sessions. Okay, generally in computation anything we are using hash table only. Yeah, next we can check just the hash table only, but we are using inner procedure, then the hash table, the temporary table will available in this procedure, right? So we are using inner procedure. The inner procedure also available this temporary table. This we can prove. Here we are just created create procedure, another procedure, test procedure 2. We are just inserting data to this table, temporary table, and we are just displaying this data. Okay, now we can just create this table. So in this time it will not check anything. Okay, just create the table. Now we are just execute this procedure, then error will come because then there is no hash test table. Okay, we are not created any table here. Just insert the data. And this procedure we want to create inside this our table, this procedure. Okay, so the same thing, create table and everything is there, and we want to just call this procedure, test procedure 2. We are calling inside this procedure. Okay, just execute this. example already exists procedure. Okay, just execute. We don't want this one. Okay, just execute the procedure. Okay, we want to just display the procedure. So here we are just insert this data, and again we are calling the test procedure 2. In this test procedure 2, we are again inserting one data to Peter, and we are just displaying select star from test 1. So now we want to get all three records. Okay, we can just check. Now you can see we are getting all three records. Okay, because the two data from this test procedure 1, and we are calling the inner procedure here. Okay, this inner procedure also we are using the same tables. Okay, so this table will available this session also. Okay, so it will inserting this data to test 1, and we are displaying all data. Test procedure 1 data and this data also. Okay, this way we are getting three records. Okay, thank you guys.